Hey everyone, I'd like to demonstrate probably what not to do if you need to get creative with your part holding on a bandsaw. So I need to cut, or I want to cut, this section of metal off of my piece here. I could just mill this off, but one, this is A2 tool steel, so that'll take forever. And two, I don't want to waste all that material. That might be useful for another project down the road. So I want to cut that off with the bandsaw, but there's no way to hold the part to the bandsaw, with the clamping mechanism as designed. So I've come up with a very questionable solution. I have, one of those Tico hold down kits, and so I've just run a T slot nut underneath here and clamped it down, and I think this is actually going to work. It feels pretty solid. So yeah, let's give this a shot. So far, so good. I'll come back in a little while. Well, somewhat miraculously, that worked. And I'm sure this thing is hotter than hell. Wow. Okay. So I guess that's a way that you definitely should not use to save some material. Thanks for watching. Well, before we had but a single anecdote. Now we have two anecdotes, and that's a data set. So we now have a data set that demonstrates that this works. Still, don't do it.